as great as companion planting is, not everybody gets along in the garden. So let's talk about what not to plant with your peppers. First of all, peppers don't really vibe with brassicas, you know, that broccoli gang. They actually have different growth needs and different soil tastes. So give them plenty of space away from each other and each of them will thrive. Beans. Do not plant your peppers with beans. They are nitrogen thieves. And I made this mistake last season with my habaneros. Actually stunted my pepper plant. So it literally looked like a seedling for the entirety of the season. So I had no habaneros last year. Not plant fennel with your peppers. It's like a live episode of Hoarders. What fennel does, it hoards all the nutrients so that it can use it to grow. And what it does is it makes your peppers plant literally starve. So no fennel, no pepper. Hope this was helpful. So I'm Tiffany. I do simple videos like this to help you figure out what the hell you're doing in the garden and what to plant with what. So if that's your thing, swipe left and hit that follow.